In the heart of Bloomsbury, a town known for its vibrant flowers and welcoming community, three inseparable friends named Mary, Eric, and Matthew embarked on a magical journey that would forever change the landscape of their friendship. One sunny afternoon, as the trio explored the outskirts of town, they stumbled upon a hidden grove. At its center stood an ancient tree, adorned with blossoms of every hue. Sensing an extraordinary energy, Mary, the spirited leader of the group, suggested they name it the Friendship Tree. Mary: "I have a feeling this tree is something special, guys. Let's make it our secret spot." With a unanimous agreement, the friends decided to visit the Friendship Tree regularly. As the seasons changed, so did the tree, mirroring the growth of their friendship. Each visit brought new discoveries and adventures. In spring, the tree burst into a cascade of vibrant blossoms, symbolizing the joyous moments they shared. The friends picnicked beneath its branches, their laughter echoing through the grove like a melody of happiness. Eric, the imaginative dreamer, noticed that the tree's leaves whispered tales of enchanted realms. Inspired, the trio embarked on imaginary quests, their shared dreams weaving a tapestry of extraordinary adventures. Summer brought warm sunshine and the rustling of leaves. Matthew, the gentle and observant one, discovered that the tree provided shade and comfort during the hottest days. They gathered beneath its canopy, sharing stories, dreams, and the soothing rustle of the Friendship Tree's leaves. Autumn arrived, and the tree's leaves transformed into a myriad of colors. Mary, always filled with boundless energy, organized leaf pile races, the crunch of leaves beneath their feet creating a symphony of laughter. As winter cast its gentle frost, the friends realized that the Friendship Tree stood as a symbol of their enduring bond. Mary, Eric, and Matthew celebrated their unique qualities, just like the different seasons that adorned their magical tree. One day, as they gathered around the Friendship Tree, the friends noticed something extraordinary. A special blossom, combining the colors of all seasons, had bloomed at its heart. Mary: "Look! The friendship blossom represents our friendship, strong and beautiful through every season." The friends embraced, realizing that the Friendship Tree had not only witnessed, but also nurtured their growth. Its magic lay in the moments they shared, the dreams they built, and the laughter that echoed through the grove. As the years passed, the trio remained blossom buddies, forever connected by the enchantment of the Friendship Tree, a testament to the enduring beauty of true friendship, where the roots run deep and the branches reach for the sky. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our Artzy Monkey channel.